Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an intro screen using Keynote. Stay tuned. Double click on Keynote. A new window will appear for you to choose your theme. I'm going to choose white. Double click that. I want to insert an image here, so I'm going to remove this big text box. So the first thing you want to do is go to Insert, Choose, and you choose whatever image you want to insert. Resize the image if you want. Also, in the right hand corner, they have various style options for you to use for your image. So I want to drop shadow. So I'm adding a drop shadow to my image. Also, I want to bring this up some. So now I'm ready to add my text. So you just double click in the box and type in whatever text you want to have there. And you have the option to change your font size, if you want it bold or not, if you want to make the font bigger. So whatever it is you want to do, you can do here. You can do whatever changes you want to make to your text. So I'm fine with this. I add my social media accounts. So you go back to insert again, click choose, and you add whatever additional images that you want to add, just like before. So I'm going to do subscribe, like, my Instagram and my Twitter logo. I'm going to insert those items. So after you insert your images, you just move everything around to where you want to place them. And you can do whatever, if you need to resize anything, you can do that as well. I'm just resizing really quickly, making sure everything looks good. Okay, so I need 2 extra text boxes. So what you do if you need to insert another text box is go to Insert, Text Box, and you can change the size of it, do whatever it is you need to do with the box. Double click in it and type in your information. My Instagram account is at Princess Rosanna. So I'm going to move that a little bit closer. I'm highlighting the text to change the font. Let's see. I'm going to use American Typewriter. So I'm going to use that. And here you can make whatever changes you want to make to the style. If you want to add a drop shadow, you can do that. You can also do the same drop shadow to your image. So I'm going to do that as well. Here's a quick cheat. Just to save yourself time, if you have, multiple social media accounts, take the text box you just inserted and go to Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste. There you go. And then you can just bring it to the other end. You can move it wherever you want to move it. So I'm just really quickly moving this over. I want it to move over a little bit. And do that really quickly. And if you have, and then you can do whatever edits or what have you that you need it. My Twitter name is P. Rosanna. So I'm just going to make that quick. I made that quick change. And you see how everything looks. It looks really nice. It looks really polished. It looks welcoming. I'm going to add a drop shadow to Princess Rosanna. the text here as well. So I did all of that. So the next thing I would like to do is animate my intro screen. So to animate your intro screen, you will go to, in the right hand side, animate, select the object you want to animate, and click add an effect. So with my crown, I want it to sparkle. And so with animate, you can change which direction you want it to come, which direction. I like the left to right, so I'm going to keep it there. You can change the length of time here from 2 seconds to whatever you want to change the duration to. So I'm going to add another effect because I'm building multiple effects for my page. So for Princess Rosanna, I'm adding another effect, and I want it to be typewriter. And later I'm going to go back in and add some typewriter sounds to it when I actually add my intro card to my video. The next one I want to add an effect to is my Instagram. So this is another effect you can add to it. Actually, I'm going to do it for my Instagram as well as my Twitter. So you can add another effect, and I think I want the swoosh. And then, you know what? I changed my mind. So if you change your mind like I suddenly did, what you want to do is under animate where it says build in, you want to click build order, which is at the bottom of the page. So you can remove or move around whatever order you want your build, however you want your build order to start. So I'm removing the Twitter logo, so you just delete it because I want that to be the second thing I add. So I'm going to put the build order over here so you can see it a little better. Now I want to add the Twitter, which I want it to be a swoosh as well. And as you can see over here, so my crown is the sparkle, Princess Rosanna, the text, is the typewriter. My Instagram as well as my Twitter is swoosh. So this is how the build order so far is going to happen. Next I want to do is add Princess Rosanna, my name. So I think I want that to be, it can be swoosh. The same here for my Twitter account. And there you go. So again, you can change the direction, the duration, and the direction it comes in. Also, you can change the delivery. So when it comes to the build order, which I'm going to center, I'm going to center right here in the middle of the screen. You right click it you highlight whatever item you want to look at, and you could put how it should start. So basically how it should come in. So this, I'm going to put after transition, Princess Rosanna is after build 1 because the crown is considered the first build. Instagram is after build 2, after build 3. I'm going to set my Twitter name to after build 4, and I'm going to do that again. I'm sorry, my Instagram name is after build 4. So you can do this however you want to do it. With the build order, you actually have to play with it a little bit to get a better understanding of how you want your items to look. So this is the end result with the preview. The sparkle, the American typewriter, and that's it. That's my build order. I'm not going to change the build order to my subscribe or like. That's something I want to stay constant on my page. So if you like what I did here, I can show you other ways to use Restart 8:59. Nope, restart it. Start with build order. So I'm going to restart build order. I'm going to preview my build order to make sure it's everything that I want it to be. So it's perfect for me. I love it. I'm not changing anything. So I will add this to iMovie as my intro card. And also you can do the exact same thing to make an end card as well. If you like these type of tutorials, let me know. Again, thank you for subscribing and watching. Bye.